In this video, you'll learn how to see unsubscribed contacts on Mailchimp. This process allows you to manage your audience effectively by identifying who has opted out of your communications. First, navigate to the Mailchimp homepage. You can do this by entering the Mailchimp URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, you should see a dashboard display in your recent campaigns, audience statistics, and other features. This confirms you are on the correct screen. Next, look for the Audience tab located in the main navigation menu at the top of the page. Click on Audience to proceed. After this action, you will be taken to the Audience dashboard, where you can see various audience-related options and insights. After that, locate the option labeled Manage Audience. This can be found on the right side of the screen or within a drop-down menu. Click on this option and a new menu will appear, providing you with several audience management choices. Once this menu appears, select View Contacts. This action will direct you to the Contacts section, where you can see all the individuals in your audience. You should now see a list of your contacts along with their subscription statuses. Now find the filter option that allows you to view unsubscribed contacts. Click on the unsubscribed link or option to filter your list. This will display only those contacts who have unsubscribed from your emails. Remember that this list may take a moment to load, especially if you have a large audience. If you have a significant number of unsubscribed contacts, be mindful of the file size and loading times. Additionally, ensure that you have sufficient storage in your Mailchimp account to manage your audience effectively. You can check your account limits in the account settings if necessary. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.